Today 14th April, Vishu, Malayali New Year. We are ready for Vishu Sadhya. We didn't prepare all, but some. This is Kela fry, Kerala Kela. We didn't add turmeric, that's why white. This is potato chips. This is yam chips, yam fry. This is sweet
Palamburi.
Kerala plantain, Nendrapalam puri. This is same Nendrapalam steamed one. This is small plantain, papad, achar, irisheri, aviyal, കൂട്ടുകാളൻ. This is aviyal. This is കൂട്ടുകാളൻ. This is പയറ് തോരൻ. Here, beetroot പച്ചടി, ഓലൻ, സാമ്പാർ, rice and payas. പരിപ്പ് പായസം. This only ready because we prepared early. By 10 o'clock we are going to have our Vishu Sadhya. Happy Vishu to all.